The alphabet is the toolkit we use to build every word in the English language, and that toolkit starts right here with its first unit, the letter A. This is the uppercase A. It is built with 3 straight lines, 2 angled sides meeting at a point at the top, and a connecting bridge right across the middle. But most letters have a second form. This is the lowercase a. Notice the structural contrast. Instead of sharp angles, the lowercase a relies on curves, a circle sitting directly next to a straight vertical line. They look like completely different symbols. One is sharp and tall, while the other is round and short. Yet both represent the exact same letter. Recognizing these 2 distinct shapes on a page is the mandatory first step to understanding what the letter A sounds like and how it functions within a word. To memorize these shapes, we move from seeing the letter to building it. Hold your index finger up in the air. We're going to trace these letters in the space right in front of us. Let's start with the uppercase A. It requires 3 distinct strokes. Start your finger at the very top and pull a diagonal line down to the left. Go back to that top point and pull a second diagonal line down to the right. Finally, draw a straight line across the middle. Now for the lowercase a. This one takes just 2 strokes. Start in the middle and draw a complete circle in the air. Then, starting from the right side of that circle, draw a straight line pulling directly down. Okay, hold your finger up again and look away from the screen. Trace the uppercase A entirely from memory. Top down to the left, top down to the right, and across the middle. Moving your arm through these paths maps the letter's visual geometry directly onto your motor skills, making the shape easier to recall later. The letter A is a vowel, which means we pronounce its sounds with an open mouth. Its most common sound is the short sound. Drop your jaw, open wide, and say ah. You hear that short sound right at the beginning of these 3 words: apple, ant, alligator. But the letter A can also behave differently. It has a long sound, where the letter simply says its own name. For the letter A, that sound is A. Listen to the start of these words: acorn, ape. The jaw stays higher and you hear the clear, long A sound. To see how these work together, imagine a tiny ant and a massive alligator standing on a giant apple planet. Identifying these 2 primary sounds provides the foundation needed to begin reading simple sentences where the letter A appears. Let's pull everything together into a simple rhythm. 2 shapes, 2 sounds, 1 letter. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for alligator. A is for acorn. A is for ape. This chart shows how the entire system connects. From the tall uppercase A and the round lowercase a, we branch directly to our short sounds: apple, ant, alligator, and our long sounds: acorn, ape. By learning to recognize the visual shapes, trace the physical mechanics, and pronounce the different sounds, you have mastered the first unit of the alphabet. This is the foundational building block for your journey into reading.